Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic which is on homonyms. Many of you might be thinking what is this new term homonyms? But you soon realize that you are actually facing this thing in English. But you might be not aware about the terminology. In this lesson, first we will discuss what exactly are homonyms and we will discuss some examples related to homonyms. Let's get started. What exactly a homonym? Homonym is made of two words, homo, nym. Homo means same and nym means name. Combining them, it becomes words having same name. It means they have something in common or same but different with some other thing. What does it mean? There are words in English that have same spelling and pronunciation but have completely different meaning. These words are called homonyms. Again, I repeat, homonyms are words having exactly same spelling and pronunciation but different meaning. Let's look into examples of homonyms. First one is address. One meaning of it is name, title and place of residence. So it defines a person's residence address. See the sentence, I have your address. Now let's look into totally different meaning of the same word address. Address also refers to act of addressing oneself to a person or a group. Sentence example of it could be he addressed a public gathering. Now you can see two totally different meanings of the word address and it is called homonyms. Second one is play. First meaning of it is to participate in a game. Sentence example of it could be he plays cricket regularly. Another meaning of the word play is to act in a performance. A sentence example could be he play the role of king in event. You can see the difference of the meaning of the word play. Next example is write. First meaning of it is used when you are taking a decision. It may right or wrong. For example, Sachin made a right decision to retire. Here, right defines the type of decision he made. Let's look into a totally different meaning of the word right. Right word is also used to show direction. For example, the army attacked from right direction. Here we are talking about the direction of the army from where it attacked. Clearly we can see the difference of the meaning of the word right. Fourth example is the word fly. First meaning of it is a kind of insect. Fly is a type of insect. Sentence example of it is a fly sat on my palm. The second meaning of the same word fly is to move in the air. Sentence example of it is he is good at flying kites. Let's see one more homonym to make things more clear. Bank. First meaning of the word bank is a place where we deposit our money. Sentence example of it is he deposited his saving in bank. Other meaning of the word bank is the land sloping down to a river. Sentence example of it is she sat on the river bank. You can clearly see the difference between the two words are exactly same in spelling and pronunciation but totally different in meaning. Now we have seen 5 words having same spelling but different meaning, that is 5 homonyms. Let us see some more examples. The bat flies around at night. I lost my baseball bat. Have you observed here? The homonym is bat. And next homonym word is book. This book is very interesting. I would like to book a flight on Paris. So, book, two are same in spelling and pronunciation but different in meaning. The third sentence is, the old lady could not walk fast. It is a religious fast. So first one, walking fast. Second one, not to take any food for some time. That is fast. Next, they turn left instead of right. He left as soon as he could. Hope you understood the different meaning of this word left. And we are trying to train our dog. The train will be here soon. So in the first sentence, train, it is the name of activity. In the second sentence, train is the name of a vehicle, train. Hope you come with new example of homonyms. All the best.